In this video, I'm going to give you update on Binance launch pool and give you the strategy to trade this new coin on Binance. Binance completes the ARKHAM subscription launchpad and we open trading for this coin. And I'm going to share the information about this event and show you the strategy to make money with this. And you don't need to rush if you don't buy enough of this coin on Binance launchpad. So don't just rush to buy this without watching this video. Binance released this ARKM in innovation zone and open trading for this PS right here. It's going to open for this trade and trading pair at 2023-07 in 12 o'clock UTC time. User will enjoy zero maker fee on this trading pair until further notice. And that's all you need to know about this. And I'm going to show you my previous analysis on new token on this platform. This Maverick token was launched on Binance Launch Pool, and right here I was talking to people who wants to buy this token when they are unable to farm this token or unable to get enough of this token. People want to get this token at the launch price, which is buy the idea for you to buy this token when it started trading at the minute, let's say 1 hour. I'm going to change this to 1 hour time frame, trading frame right here. And as a right here, you can see the 1 hour candle right here went at the start of trading of this coin, went from 5 cents to $1.98. So it's, as you can see, this coin went up to like 20x or 30x. So if you were rushing that you want to buy this coin at launch, I was explaining when this token is about to launch, I asked you to cool down and wait for this candle for 1 hour or 2 days for you to enter this trade. 1 day candle just needs to wait for this. As you can see, starting from 1.98 cent, this token trade back to this level. You see, to this level around 32 cents. So that's how I explained this earlier. And if I come to this 4-hour time frame, you see this 4-hour time frame again, if you are rushing to buy this at this time, is either you buy this at, let's say, $1.30 or $1.90 or stuff like that. You won't have that luck to buy around maybe 50 cents or 5 cents. So you need to wait and wait for this token to be trading sideways. Then if you see you have the good entry to buy this, if you are buying over here 38 cents and you're able to trade this just short time, you'll be making like 100% gain in short time. But in long run, you can wait for this. I'm going to change it to this daily time frame. As you can see, this is still trading in sideways, and mind you, this token can perform or go down in value determine on what the overall market is saying. And before you buy any new token on Binance, maybe launch pool, or because you are unable to get enough of this token on Binance launch pool and you think this token is going to go up in value, and one thing you need to do is come to this level when this token starts trading and wait. After waiting maybe 1 day or 2 days, you'll be able to buy this at a lower price than to just buy over here at 1.30 cent or 1.90 cent or 66 cents, stuff like that. Until these tokens reach this all-time high again, it might reach 2 weeks or 2 months or stuff like that. So if you buy at the top right here, you'll be in loss. If you are unable to take the risk, you will sell your token in loss. But if you know what you are doing, you won't sell. You know that this coin might go up in value again. So that's unrealized loss. But if you sell, you need to realize the loss. And using this strategy to trade new token on Binance is kind of 100% back testing. And if I show you the previous launch pool or launch pad on Binance, you see this always follows the same pattern. and right here be able to buy at this 34 cents if you think this price is going to go up in value. And that's all you need to be doing. Make sure you do your own research before you take any step in this video, and let me know your price prediction for this new token on Binance Launchpad. What do you think this price is going to go be in like 2 months or 3 months? And I'm going to be there in the comment section to reply your message and to see your free back. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel.